Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure level lock with Alexa home monitoring, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring your level lock with Alexa home monitoring, ensure both devices are set up and connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open the Alexa app on your smartphone or tablet. Sign in with your Amazon account if you haven't done so. Tap on the device's icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the plus icon in the upper right corner to add a new device. Choose Add Device from the menu options that appear. Scroll down and select Lock from the list of device types. Look for Level Lock in the available lock options and tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to place the level lock in pairing mode. You may need to turn the lock's internal dial to initiate pairing. Once the app detects your level lock, select it to proceed. Next, the app will prompt you to choose a name for your lock. Pick a name that is easy to remember and recognize in voice commands. After naming your lock, confirm your selection in the app. The app will prompt you to link your level lock account with Alexa. If you haven't already set up a level lock account, follow the instructions in the level lock app. Return to the Alexa app after linking accounts. Now, you can control your level lock with voice commands through Alexa. Test your configuration by saying, "Alexa, lock the front door," or the name you've assigned. Listen for Alexa's confirmation that the door is locked. If everything works, your level lock is now successfully configured with Alexa home monitoring. For further adjustments, revisit the devices list in the Alexa app as needed. You can also create routines in the Alexa app for added convenience. Explore the app for more features related to your level lock integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.